Hello guys, my name is Habib and I have 10 years plus years of experience in creating stylized characters in ZBrush. Creating a stylized character can be very challenging if you are a beginner level artist because you need to know many concepts like anatomy, shapes, forms and many more that will confuse you initially. But in this course, I'll teach you my methods, tips and tricks for creating characters very easily. And once you have finished this course, you can create or approach any characters without difficulties. In this course, we will start our lessons with the first chapter where I will introduce you to ZBrush and teach you some basics of ZBrush before we start our course. Next, we will learn to sculpt head section of the character where I will create eyes, mouth, beard, other parts of the face. Next, we will create the character's body parts like hand, torso, legs, armor, etc. We will also use Blender to create the axe for the character, so you will learn how to use Blender and ZBrush to import and export your model without any problems. And then we will add the final details to our model to give it a finishing look. Next, we will learn how to polypaint our character, where I will teach you how to add materials to different parts of the model. And at the end of the chapter, we will learn how to create quick render in Photoshop by exporting the maps. So if you are a beginner level ZBrush artist and just started using ZBrush, this course will provide you with excellent knowledge in creating characters easily. So why wait? Jump into the course. You will enjoy and have fun time with me on creating this character from scratch. I'll be waiting for you in the class.